second time to do this kind of video. My birthday this year is amazingly fun, and I'm so happy because I can celebrate it with the people I love, my family, my fiance, and my friends. They are awesome. I feel I'm so lucky and special. Thank you so much for the effort and the surprises. Love ya all. Actually, I just came back from my vacation, so I thought I will do a whole video in the next upload. So if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell to follow along. Like and share my video if you guys enjoy. And I would like to say thank you to all of my lovely subscribers. Thank you for the support that you gave to me. It really means a lot to me. Thank you guys. Oh my god, I'm super excited to show you guys what I got for my birthday this year. So let's get started, guys. First, I will show you guys all the gift I got from my lovely friends, and here is Pedro. Let me take out for you. Ta-da! A crossbody bag. You guys really know my style. I love crossbody bags. This is super cute. Love the unique color of this bag. If you guys are interested with this bag and want me to do a review video, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. Then this is the maroon sweater. It's also my style. Love it. Then I got this. A Tupperware water bottle. Oops. There are two colors, two different colors. Look at the details. It's so pretty. I'm gonna use this. Let me put it here first. Oops. Maybe inside the bag. Then here is a Salvatore Ferragamo perfume set. Inside the box, there are full-size perfume and a body lotion. Oh my god, I love this. The smell is super refreshing for this one. I have a miniature kit one. I did a video of this Salvatore Ferragamo full set miniature kit in my shopping haul part 1. If you guys haven't watched it, I will put the link in the description below for those who are interested. So next gift is from my fiance. Actually, this item is on my wish list and it's really hard to get, but now I got it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So here it is. It's a zippy coin purse in monogram. Thank you so much, baby. You are the best. I really love it. And I would like to say thank you to all of my friends and my family, my fiance. Without you all, I'm nothing. Being so blessed to have you all. Thank you so much. So last but not least, it's from Gucci. Yes, I treat myself to Gucci Marmon Metallic Leather Mid-Heel Palm. have been wanting this for quite some time. I went to several Gucci boutique, but they only have the 4-inch heel. That is the highest heel. Then I finally found it when I'm on vacation. I'm so happy when they have it in the 2-inch heel. That we call it as a mid heel, and of course with my size. Anyway, I will do a proper unboxing video for this Gucci Mamo shoes and the GP coin purse for you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe to follow along. So that's all for today's video. If you guys enjoy, please like my video and share it. And I will catch you all really soon in my next video. Bye.